Hello and welcome to fifth grade. My name is Shannon Lopes and I will be your teacher this year. I have been teaching for 4 years. This is my third year in fifth grade and I absolutely love this grade. It's probably the best in my opinion. We have a lot of fun. A little bit about me. I am Brazilian American. I am very family oriented. I love my family and we're very, very close. I love Disney and the color pink, as you can see, and anything glittery and rose gold and all of very girly things. I used to play soccer, so you might see me at recess time playing soccer with the kids. I enjoy having fun with them and doing things that they enjoy as well. I tend to be very strict inside the classroom, and I set the rules and the boundaries very, very sternly the first few weeks of school. And once they know my expectations, they know how to follow them and they can go forward with that. A little bit about the curriculum. Fifth grade is our last year of elementary school. And so we do cover all of the same subjects for elementary: Bible, math, history, science, penmanship, reading, language, and spelling. A little bit about the different ones. Math, it is extremely important that the students know their times tables, okay? We get up to 3-digit division in fifth grade, and most of the things that we do is reviewing to get to that point. So it's very, very important that they know their times tables, they know division rules and different things like that, even though we review them. Math is very fast-paced in fifth grade, and so you'll learn one thing one day, and the next day you'll be learning something new and reviewing what you did the day before. It's very, very fast-paced. History is old world history, which can catch the students off guard a little bit sometimes. But it's very fun once you get into it. It goes over all of the different countries on the Eastern Hemisphere. There's a lot of map studies. All of the maps are, of course, provided in the curriculum, but the old world history can sometimes confuse students, but it's a very fun subject. It's actually one of my favorites. Science is always fun. I will make my best effort in making it hands-on, despite all of the circumstances that we are dealing with right now. Language, it's grammar. There will be quite a bit of writing, getting them prepared for middle school and then high school, of course. Spelling, penmanship, reading, it's pretty much the same as it's been for the last few grades. Spelling tests are every Friday. Those are more independent subjects, although, of course, we go over everything in class. Penmanship, if you are new to the school, don't worry. The first few weeks are review and teaching you the letters as we go. They will have art with Mrs. Barnett. They will have PE with Mr. Wells. And that's a little bit about fifth grade. I look forward to having you guys. Some of you had me in second grade, and so it's very exciting to get to have some students back. And I can't wait to see what God does in this school year, in the lives of the students, and even the lives of the parents. I think, as we all know, He's in control, and we will have a great year, and we'll have some fun. Okay, so thank you.